My dear friends, the feast that we celebrate today is a logical follow-up to the Assumption and is now celebrated on the octave day of that feast. In his encyclical to the Queen of Heaven, Venerable Pius XII points out that the Blessed Mother deserves the title because she is Mother of God and because she is closely associated as the new Eve with the redemptive work of Jesus, and because of her preeminent perfection, and because of the intercessory power of the prayers of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Amen.